Everybody, how excited are you for today's session? So everybody, I request all of you to write one thing in the chat box very, very quickly as to how you are feeling today. Just in one word, that today I feel like what? Excited, happy, curious. In one word, write in the chat box. How do you feel today, everybody? Right? Janvi feels energetic. Kanishk feels curious. Ranj says amazing. Today I feel excited. Ria feels excited. Jasmine is happy. Okay, everybody. So once again, I welcome you to our final session, everyone. It's the wrap up today. And today we'll not have any session as such. Today is a celebration of your hard work. Every one of you is a winner because you showed up. You decided to spend your summer vacation, in order to invest in learning, invest in speaking better, and invest in, you chose to invest in upgrading yourselves in terms of confidence, vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. So everybody, I congratulate you all. Can we all just give a round of applause for all of us, for ourselves, everybody? Good job. Well done. Very well done, everyone. So let me just ask you a few questions and I would love to know your experience as well. Everyone, I hope you remember that this journey began 1 month back, right? It was on 27th May when we began our journey, and all of you joined. We all learned in this last 1 month. We had these 8 amazing lessons. I hope you remember lesson number 1 where we learned. Who will tell me what was lesson number 1 all about? Lesson number 1.
About our introduction.
That's right. Yes. And we'll speak one by one, right? Lesson number 2 was how to make correct English sentences, right? Ishita, what was that all about? Lesson number 2.
How to convert Hindi sentence into English.
That's right. After that, everybody, we moved on to lesson number 3, where it was how to use correct tenses. Acha, who will tell me which one is correct? She have my pen or she has my pen? Which one is correct?
She has my pen.
Well done. Absolutely right. Then came Amar sir, who talked about 3 techniques. Who can help us in recalling those 3 techniques?
It was object speaking.
It was object speaking. Pick up any object, talk about it, and continuously talk about it. Kunal, was there any other strategy that sir mentioned?
Yes, ma'am. Keyword speaking.
Keyword speaking was there, which
And
means
reading aloud.
and reading it aloud,
And
right?
reading aloud.
So number 5, which was how to use correct tenses. Acha, tell me which one is correct. I go to market or I went to the market. Which one is correct? First or second?
Second.
Went to the market.
I want to say कि मैं Good Defense Sainik School जाऊंगी. He asked Jaideep.
We will go to Good Defense Sainik School.
That was quick. That was correct. Good job, Jaideep. So in lesson number 5, everybody, I hope you remember that we talked about simple, tenses. That past, present, future, how to talk about them. Common English vocabulary for everyday use was in lesson number 6, where Charmin ma'am came and she helped us, in transforming our basic vocabulary to the advanced vocabulary. Lesson number 7 was all about pronunciation, like vowel sounds, consonant sounds, homonyms, homographs, etc. And lesson number 8 was all about secrets of English pronunciation and grammar, where we explored silent letters, key rules, some interesting rules, pronunciation of days, of the week, pronunciation of the months of the year, etc. Right? So these were the 8 lessons, everyone, that we all explored. Now, everyone, I wish to know your experience. How was your experience of these classes? Yahan pe I hope you can see some sentence starters and it's quick reflection for all of us. I want you all to pick up any 3 sentences and tell me about your experience of these sessions. आप इनमें से कोई से भी 3 sentence starters you can pick and then you can share about what your experience was.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jashandeep Kaur and from class 8A. I share my online classes experience. So my favorite lesson was first, which is the name technique. One English grammar rule I always remember is flip it method. Thank you, ma'am, because the classes increases our knowledge and helps us to speak in English.
Wonderful, wonderful, Jashan. Happy to hear.
Hello everyone, my name is Varni Vajpayee and today I'm going to share a little of my experience of summer vacation English communication classes. So my favorite lesson was the first one because I usually have a lot of problems during my introductions, and that lesson taught me to introduce myself powerfully. It was really great, okay? And then I'm glad I attended these classes because these will help us improve our communication skills. And this program also taught me that I don't need a companion to speak with to improve my skills. And I have a lot of techniques now to just practice it on my own, and I don't need a companion because most of the excuses are like I don't have anyone to speak with, I cannot practice with someone, and now I don't have those excuses. So, and I really improved my communication and pronunciation skills. I'm so glad I attended these programs, and I'm thankful to the mentors, teachers for preparing these programs.
Well done, Baruni. Very happy to hear your experience. Thank you, everyone, for sharing your experience.
You know what? A few weeks ago, some of you were nervous to even say good morning out loud. And look at you now, speaking, expressing, and shining. That is not small, that is huge. A good round of applause for all the kids.
Thank you, ma'am.
So here's a secret I want to share with you. Every single person you admire, your favorite actor, your favorite YouTuber, your favorite teacher, they all started exactly where you started, with just one word, one brave word, and you said yours. So many of them, I was just listening all the reflections you were talking, and the pronunciation, I was amazed. One of the girl is having a beautiful accent. So that does that mean that you know everything? No. And guess what? That's the fun part. Every new word you learn is like unlocking a new level in the video game. You play video game, right? So when you learn new word, you are unlocking a new level in, the video game. The adventure is just getting started. So here's your mission. Should you choose to accept it, keep talking, keep making mistakes, keep going. Mistakes don't mean you failed. They mean you are trying, right? And, then only you will become the champions. And champions are made like this only. You are not just kids who took summer classes. You are the young communicators, future leaders. And today, you are my absolute heroes. Keep smiling, keep speaking. The world cannot wait to hear your voice. Okay? Sure. Thank you. So once upon a time, there was a small bird named Leo. What is the name of the bird? Leo. L-E-O. Okay? So Leo lived in a big forest full of birds, the koel, and there are many birds who sang most beautiful songs, right? But Leo was afraid to sing. Every time he opened his beak, he thought, what if it sounds wrong? What if everyone laughs? So he stayed quiet. Day after day, one morning, a kind old owl, always the bird owl is considered as a wise, bird, right? So owl said to him, Leo, I have heard you humming alone at night. You have a beautiful voice. Why you are not singing in the morning time? At night you are just humming, like this. Okay? So Leo was shocked, but I always get the notes wrong, owl. So he just told that I am little nervous, I am little shy. The owl smiled and said, wrong notes played bravely are better than perfect notes never sung at all. You know, if you keep trying, to learn first and then you will reflect, that will become problematic. That will take time. That will not let you come out of your, shelf in which you are just hiding. Right? So, Leo took a deep breath and sang. Was it perfect? No. Did a few words giggle? Maybe. But did Leo stop? Absolutely not. And slowly, day by day, Leo's song grew stronger, sweeter, and more confident than anyone in the forest. So, I think my story can, is connected
Related
with
to
you.
that.
It is relevant with you. You are like a Leo. So, again, I will request you people to keep speaking, keep smiling. The world cannot wait to hear your voice.
Thank you, ma'am. Promised by the end of this program, everybody, we all are going to get the e-certificates and we will be getting the certificates in our WhatsApp group. So you can proudly share your certificates with your parents, family, and you can say that you know how you utilized this summer vacation, how Good Day Defense Sainik School helped you with that, right? Also, here is the amazing Wall of Fame. On Wall of Fame, only the chosen students and the chosen people go. So congratulations, Ankita, Khushmeet, Navraj, Shivai, Ransh, Piyush, Rigved, Harjot, Mihir, Jaideep, Shashwat, Shivansh. Then we also have some more students, Avanshika, Ishita, and Vikram, Angad, Yuvraj, Sonam, Anand, Sukhdeep, Manya, Hans, Jashan, Akarsh. Congratulations, everybody. Sankalp, Rakshit, Riya, Yashu, Vraj, Sehjot, Kanishk, Rahul, Jyotika, Randeep, Nityam, Kunal, and Adhav, Abhimanyu, Baruni, Ishan, Galav, Daydon, Patel Don, and Hem Chauhan. So congratulations, everybody. You are there on Wall of Fame, which shows that you were the most participative, regular students in the session, and we congratulate you. We request everybody to keep learning like this so that we can also, celebrate your achievements like this. I request all of you, abhi hum ek pledge lenge, okay? And the pledge is to talk in English. As ma'am said, you know what Meenakshi ma'am said? She said that learning doesn't stop here. It should not stop here. Now you will be in our GDDS campus, in the school campus, and you are the leaders, right? You have to ensure that you don't go ahead and, stop speaking in English, right? So right now, I request everybody, one by one, I'll speak the sentence and I request everybody to repeat that sentence after me. With a smile on your face, everybody, I request all of you to take this English oath, okay? English promise, okay? So everybody, I will speak English every day. Say this with me.
I will speak English every day.
The second one, everybody, I will not be afraid of my mistakes. Say this aloud.
I will not afraid of mistakes.
Unmute yourself and say, I will keep learning.
I will keep learning.
I will
Yes,
keep
I will
learning.
help others learn English. Say this, everyone.
I will help others learn English.
And say, I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Yes, well done, everybody. Okay, everybody. So I really wish you all the best for your, days to come in this school. I will try to visit your school. I would try to meet you, and I would love to talk to you again. And everybody, remember, learning a language is not about being perfect, right? जब आपको भूख लग रही है, आता है, in the kitchen, what will you do? आप जाएंगे ना, आप रोटी बना लेंगे, right? It doesn't matter कि रोटी टेढ़ी मेढ़ी बन रही है नहीं. You'll just make it and you'll just eat it, right? अगर आप perfect रोटी बनाने का wait करते रहेंगे, then it will take you hours to days to weeks. English is exactly like that. अगर टेढ़ी मेढ़ी English भी आप बोल रहे, it's all right. Just go ahead and start speaking. It's about having the courage to learn, to learn from mistakes and to keep improving. You know, you have fantastic teachers at your school. You have your principal ma'am, you have, you know, your trainers, Sharmin ma'am, Jeshta ma'am, you have Sulata ma'am, right? So every time you spoke in class, every time you asked a question or attempted a new sentence, you took another step forward, right? So do the same in the future as well. That is why today every single one of you is a winner, and it absolutely doesn't matter who spoke most or who answered every question, who made mistakes or who didn't. What matters is that you showed up, you participated, you learned, and you never gave up, right? So I'm incredibly proud of each one of you, and I think watching your confidence grow has been the most rewarding part of my journey. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you in your school. Let's see when, but I will.